Hey everybody, Mike DiDonato here from Fiamma Canada, and today we're going to learn how to do a cleaning cycle in the Jura S8. What you're going to need for the cleaning process is Jura cleaning tablets, 1 per cycle. They come in a 6-pack or a 25-pack. In addition to that, pro tip, you're going to want to use 2 containers, 1 under each set of spouts. And the reason for that is the machine will be dispensing water through both of its coffee spouts, front and on the side. Step 1, you'll know it's time to clean the machine when at the top middle of your home screen it'll say clean the machine. You select that, and then at this point it brings you into the cleaning process and you select start. Now no matter what, it's going to ask you to empty the tray. Even if you have emptied your tray, remove it, wait 30 seconds, put it back in. At this point the machine will start to clean. Now you're going to put your 2 receptacles, 1 under the middle spouts, 1 under the right-hand spouts, and wait. After about 15-20 seconds, it's going to tell you to insert the cleaning tablet. At this stage, you're going to open the grinder bypass, put 1 Jura cleaning tablet inside, and click the next button. At this stage, you're going to wait about 15 minutes, and the machine's going to go through the cleaning cycle. What's going to happen is it's going to break down the tablet in the brewing unit, clean any fats and oils and stale coffee left over from previous uses, and then flush clean water through the system. Once that's done, you're finished. Thanks for watching how to clean the Jura S8. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Fiamma_Canada and check out our website for all your cleaning and maintenance products needs, www.fiamma.ca.